How to add text animation in InShot. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can add text animation in InShot. Well, simply open up InShot and you can open up the video that you would like to add text animation on. So for instance, I'll just do here for video here. I already have a draft here. So what you can do is you can tap on text there and proceed to add in the text, right? So this is the text that I like to add. Now here you can see the color panel where I can change the color for my text, and if I tap on here on this text here, I can change its font as well. So I want something here darker. So once I've done so, what you want to do is, in order to add the animation here, select the text. So for example, if you're like this, you want to head to the text panel and you want to select the particular text that you like to add animation to. Once you select the text, you can see the here edit option. Tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you can see this little circle here moving. Tap on it and you can see in animation, out animation, and loop animation. If you want loop animation, this you can see various, and you can see if you want in animation, you can see here in animations. So this is how you can add text animation in InShot. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.